this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to returning subscribers. How you guys doing today? Hope you're having an awesome day, and I'm sure this video will be up late, but I am here to show you some of the things that I got while out of town. My daughter was so kind to me to bless me with a lot of stuff, and this is part of my haul. She lives 6 minutes away from my Hobby Lobby, and I went during my birthday in November, stayed I think 17, 18, I think it was 18 days. For vacation, and I resisted going to Hobby Lobby, 6 minutes away, and I said, nope, 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 nope. This time, I went back in May for a couple of weeks, and yeah, one of my girls, Donna, Donna, you're guilty if you're watching. She sent a text message saying Hobby Lobby had a sale again, blah, blah, blah. Every time I go to Hobby Lobby, there is nothing on sale. I mean, the regular sale. There's nothing on clearance. Oh my gosh, I can never get the clearance anymore. So I debated. I was like, oh gosh. So I ran around the corner, so I'm going to go. And so I ended up getting beads. But my daughter treated me, so I'm happy about that. But I just can never get the clearance stuff. There's no Hobby Lobbies close enough to catch it on a daily basis because it's like 45 minutes away. But I am happy with what I got. So I did get some little stainless steel scribe pens. So got 3 sets of those. And everything was on sale. Did get the little beads. These were half price. The clear beads. They didn't have the larger size of these. They only had the small ones. So I did get these. Well, it says large, but I'm talking about there's some bigger ones. Then I did get these pink 14 millimeter beaded ones that are plastic, and then I got them in the white, which I think these are 20. Yes, these are larger, so 20. And again, these are all 50% off. Did get this trim, gold and silver, and it was 50% off. And it's just, you know, I think it was $1.50. So no, it's $2. I think I paid. Well, she paid rather. And then it got some just the end caps to put on top of the round beads and stuff. Got them in gold and silver, 2 different sizes, 9 millimeter and 12 millimeter in silver and gold, which probably got these cheaper somewhere else, but we got them because we was there. She's like, well, go ahead and get them. So I go ahead and get them. And then, you know, when you're trying to get something, you want something, you can't never find all the stuff you want. But I did get, you know, just some basic stuff, some gold beads, 3 different sizes. These gold beads, these fillers, these are resin. I got these with the little beads on it in gold. Oh, it's got some solid silver ones, some little silver sparkly ones. These more the base colors. You see my micro haul, they got more of the other ones, some black ones. I like this metallic. I got these. Some pink clear ones. These black ones. Look at those like mirrored ones. These pearl oval and round ones. Some red glass ones, because you gotta have some red. You gotta have some red, right? Just gotta have red. Every girl should have some red. I mean, that makes you pop, honey. Fire, caliente. And then you have these right here. So that is one of my hauls from Hobby Lobby, my jewelry haul. Sorry about that shaking. And I will be back with some other goodies that I got. Oh my gosh, I have to find room. I'm going to do some destashing soon. I'm ready to purge some stuff. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.